Today we're making Hershey's Kiss cookies because they're the best.
There is just one thing I need.
Mwah! Went to first base. I think we're officially a thing. There's so much to love about the holiday season. Christmas lights? Yeah. Presents? Oh yeah. Awkward conversations with relatives you haven't seen since this time last year? Not so much. But of all the little things making this time of the year magical, I gotta say, Christmas cookies take the cake. Or is it take the cookie? No, that sounds really weird. Take the cake. Now I know this is a little controversial because you snickerdoodle fans are pretty loyal, but I'm gonna go out on a limb and say Hershey's Kiss cookies, best Christmas cookies of all time. I dare you to name a more iconic duo than peanut butter and chocolate. Go ahead, I'll wait.
What about beer and cheese?
Ooh yeah, that's good too. But today I'm feeling sweet, not savory, so let's dive into this recipe by Betty Crocker, because Hershey knows what's up. See what I did there? First, you're gonna heat that oven to 375 degrees. Then in a large mixing bowl, you're gonna mix on medium your ingredients. Half cup granulated sugar, half cup packed brown sugar, half cup creamy peanut butter, half cup butter softened, and 1 egg. You wanna make sure that your beaters are very clean. Like, don't leave any batter on there. That's not good for them. That's not good for you. Cleaning your spoon, optional, but highly recommended. Then you're gonna stir in 1.5 cups flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. You know it's stirred enough when it looks like dough and you can't resist trying it. PSA, you're not supposed to eat batter because of the raw egg, but that's a risk I'm willing to take. All right, it is time to roll that dough to 1-inch balls.
You have some beautiful balls.
I mean, we were all thinking it. No need to grease your pan, simply place the dough 2 inches apart and roll them in sugar. While they're baking for about 8 to 10 minutes, it's time to unwrap those Hershey Kisses. Now you only need about 36 of these kisses, but I recommend having at least 48, because I believe in the 3-to-1 rule. For every 3 kisses your cookies get, you should get 1. Ooh, these look good. Be sure to give those kisses right after the cookies come out of the oven. Then move them over to a cooling rack. And there's only one thing left to do.
Oh!